event 63, boys 9-year-old 50-meter breaststroke, heat 1. Lane 1, Tan Nigel, St. Stephen's. Lane 2, Goy Carl Robin from St. Stephen's. Lane 3, Alava Gabby from Gators. Lane 4, Pardo Gabriel from Mangwak. Lane 5, Go Ian Timothy from Ace. Lane 6, Cham Austin Stevenson from Ace. And Lane 7, Paulos Rafael from Saints.
Sabi ko sa kanya kung mainit.
Announcing the results for event 56, girls 15 and over 50-meter breaststroke. First place, Versosa Shed from Assumption College. Second place, the Guzman Gia from Assumption College. And third place, Kirian from St. Stephen's.
Ay, nasa kabila. Diba, ano na?